Hello, welcome to this course on crowdfunding. So far, we've covered a lot of ground when it comes to equity funding. However, in this course, we are going to digress. We are going to explore an alternative to equity funding called crowdfunding. Crowdfunding is becoming fast popular in India's early stage startup ecosystem. Explorite, Square Off, Rico are some of the most successful crowdfunded startups in our country. They have raised more than 50 lakh rupees equity free. Interesting, right? In this course, we are going to learn how these startups manage this incredible feat. We are also going to guide you on creating your own crowdfunding campaign step by step. So let's get started. So what is crowdfunding? Crowdfunding is when individuals or startups raise small amounts of money from large number of people through an online platform. Globally, there were over 6 million crowdfunding campaigns in 2020. This number is expected to grow to over 12 million by 2023. In India, the most prominent crowdfunding platforms are Indiegogo, Kickstarter, Keto, Catapult, Fundable, Wishberry, Fuel a Dream, and more. Here are some of the key crowdfunding terminologies that you need to know. First is project. A project could refer to an idea, cause, initiative, product, or service for which you're creating a crowdfunding campaign. There's a notable significance associated with the word project. For raising money from angels or venture capital funds, one needs to incorporate a private limited company. In crowdfunding, an entrepreneur can raise money for an idea without having incorporated a company beforehand. Next is the project goal. Project goal represents the amount of money you want to raise for your crowdfunding project. Then comes funding level. Funding level denotes if a project has been successful in achieving its goal. There are 3 funding levels. Unsuccessful when projects raise money less than their goal. Successful when projects raise money equal to their goal. And overfunded, projects that raise money greater than their goal. Last but not the least, we have the backers. Backers are the people who invest in a crowdfunding project. Let's now dive into crowdfunding campaigns. Crowdfunding campaigns can be of 4 types: equity, reward, debt, and donation. Equity crowdfunding is when the backers receive shares in return for their contribution to the project. Reward crowdfunding is when the backers are promised rewards for their contributions. Rewards can be priority access to the product when it goes live, it can be pre-orders, goodies, or even recognition. Debt crowdfunding is when backers receive interest payments for their contribution to the project. Donation crowdfunding is charity. The backers become patrons of the project. High social impact projects opt for this type of crowdfunding. Among entrepreneurs, equity and reward funding are the most popular. Note that in India, equity crowdfunding is not yet legal. In this course, we will explain reward crowdfunding through a case study on Square Off's crowdfunding campaign. Square Off is an Indian startup that has raised 1.6 crores from 779 backers on Kickstarter. The funding was used to develop the world's smartest chessboard. Square Off's chessboard is an AI-enabled chessboard that allows people to play remotely. One can also challenge the board's artificial intelligence to a game of chess. It is literally the wizard chessboard from Harry Potter. Let's study Square Off's crowdfunding campaign step by step. Step 1. Building a network. A social media network is the foundation of every crowdfunding campaign. Crowdfunding platforms use social media to attract backers to your project. A bigger network leads to a wider reach, which in turn can lead to more backers and a larger funding amount. A study on Kickstarter suggests that 10 Facebook friends can give a 9% chance of success of a crowdfunding project. 100 Facebook friends gives a 20% chance of success. And 1000 Facebook friends gives a 40% chance of success. Analysis of crowdfunding campaigns suggests that 53% of email shares convert to backers making contributions. 12% Facebook shares convert to backers, while 3% Twitter shares convert to backers. Here's a peek into Square Off's Facebook page. It boasts over 7,000 followers. Step 2. Do your research. Research is critical for choosing the right crowdfunding platform for your project. Research will help you set a realistic expectation of the funding amount that can be raised. Crowdfunding platform guidelines are a good place to start your research. Here are some insights basis our research. If you're an entrepreneur with an innovative product, Indiegogo is your platform. If you're working on a creative project or idea that can be innovative products, films, music or art, then Kickstarter is the way to go. If your project has healthcare, education, women and child empowerment impact, then Keto is your best bet. The platform Catapult adds a layer of incubators, accelerators and mentors to support your project, while Fuel a Dream supports charities, events and community initiatives. For Square Off, Indiegogo and Kickstarter were the best platform choices. Square Off has successfully raised money on both these platforms. Step 3. Pre-campaign preparation. Before taking your campaign live, you need to work out 3 things: budgets, logistics, and your media plan. By crowdfunding budgets, we are referring to the cost of manufacturing or procuring rewards, the cost of delivering rewards to backers, and the cost of campaign promotions. Crowdfunding platforms typically charge a 5 to 10% commission on the total funds raised by the project. The next critical thing that needs to be figured out is logistics. Backers might be from different countries altogether. Do consider all the geographical and associated budget variations before the campaign goes live. Then there is the media plan. Successful campaigns often have an elaborate media plan which includes both online and offline components. Here's a look at the media coverage for Square Off's campaign. Through leading media publications such as CNBC, Economic Times, DNA, and more, PR helped Square Off attract more and more backers. Step 4. This is initiating the crowdfunding campaign. A crowdfunding campaign has 5 elements: video, description, team, detailed plans, and reward levels. Let us look at all these elements for Square Off's Kickstarter campaign. The first is the video. The video primarily describes the product and often showcases the prototype for the crowdfunding project. It should be a high-quality video and not more than 5 minutes long. The next is the description. As you can see in Square Off's Kickstarter campaign, the description details out the prototype and its features. It effectively communicates the value proposition of the product to the backers. The next is the team. Knowing the people behind the crowdfunding project is extremely important for the backers. The logic is synonymous to venture capitalists getting to know the founders before investing. The credibility of the crowdfunding campaign increases by presenting the team behind the project. Then comes the detailed plans. Why does the project need to be crowdfunded? Where is the money going to be used? How will the crowdfunding shape the future of the project? What is the future scope of the project? Answers to these questions are critical for the crowdfunding success. Lastly, you have to set the reward levels. Create different reward levels basis contributions by the backers. As you can see in the case of Square Off, a £19 contribution backer gets a handcrafted Rosewood Knight as a reward, while a 159-pound contribution backer gets a Kingdom chess set. These 5 elements, video, description, team, detailed plans and reward levels, are the building blocks of a crowdfunding campaign. There you go. You're all set to create your crowdfunding campaign. Before you go, allow us to share some exciting campaign statistics. Crowdfunding campaigns with videos earn 105% more than campaigns without videos. Average word count for successful campaigns is between 300 to 500 words. Crowdfunding projects by teams raise more funding than projects by individuals. The majority of successful campaigns have about 9 reward levels. Funded projects typically have an average of 300 backers. Updating followers at least 8 times throughout the campaign raises the chance of funding by 126%. Average crowdfunding campaigns last for about 9 weeks. We encourage you to study the crowdfunding campaigns of SquareOff and some other companies such as MindHelix, Ricoh, and Exploride. We hope that this course has given you some valuable insights into the crowdfunding process. Let us now take a look at some benefits of crowdfunding that go beyond just raising capital. First and foremost, crowdfunding is a very effective way to validate your idea and build a customer base. The backers of your crowdfunding campaign are your potential customers, and these backers can come from a wide range of geographical areas. If we go back to a SquareOff example, you will find that they had 2,000 backers from 70 different countries, and all of them purchased the Smart Chessboard product. The next best advantage of crowdfunding is that it paves way for venture capital investments. Success at crowdfunding confirms the market potential of your startup, which is critical for investors. Even SquareOff raised 11.5 crore rupees from K-Start Capital and India Quotient following its success at crowdfunding. Now that you've understood how crowdfunding works, you can go ahead and evaluate this avenue for raising capital. We wish you all the best. Thank you.